success factor and our internal product. So I've got to know that the Employee Central module is very critical. So that's why I have reached out to Subbu because I'm going to start working on this integration projects in the next couple of months. So that's about it.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, we can hear you. So is it Subbu?
Yeah, this side Abhijit, right?
Yeah, we can. I can hear you, Abhijit. I
Okay.
think the session is still not started.
Oh, no issues, no. Thank you,
Yeah,
Shankar.
yeah,
Thank
we're
you.
just waiting.
Okay, I was under impression that it was started. No worries. We'll wait. We'll wait.
Yeah, Abhijit, this is Subbu my side. Hello.
Yeah, hi Subbu. Yes, hi Subbu.
We wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Suddenly the power gone, so she is waiting. Once the power आने के लिए जी join करे sir.
Okay, fine. So we'll just
Okay.
wait in the meeting itself.
Yeah, you can wait 5 minutes. Otherwise, you can postpone to evening 7 p.m. or around.
No. The demo will be right now, right? After five
Yeah, yeah.
minutes.
Today demo. Yeah, just now you can power cut some internet issue. That's why you can drop the trainer. So is try to another mobile network is connect right now. Otherwise, you can postpone evening. You can wait 5 to 5 minutes.
Yes, Subbu. We can
Okay,
wait for
okay.
5 minutes.
No. Yes, we are waiting. We will be waiting. Okay.
Am I audible now? Good morning, everyone.
Yes, you are audible. Yes, you are audible.
Thank you so much. It was just a power interruption, so I just have to leave and join again. But anyhow, I am here today, so I'm only listen to one or two introduction. That's fine for me, and even I can take your introduction at the end when the session is done. So basically, we have SAP SuccessFactors as an HR system. Okay. The terminology of this is completely with the HR data. Some might know, some might not be aware of what is this system. So that's the reason I'm explaining again. So success factors is an HR system where data is being maintained in the cloud. So to process many HR activities, there are different systems available. Out of them, SuccessFactors is one, but it is the first system which is helping everyone, and across the globe, it is the most used system by many customers. So for this reason, most of the people, the system says is almost 10 years only. It was into the market 2012 and it is 24 now, so it will have some period of 10 years. This has grown large, so this system is now most used system in HR environment. So in this, there are different things. People think HR is a one kind of all activities will be held by one person, but it is not true. There are many things as in subtopics for HR. Okay, so what are those is when it comes to maintaining employee data is one of the activity for it, and hiring is one.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but have you shared any presentation, or you are just explaining?
I'm sharing my screen. Can you see it?
We can see.
Yeah, we can see
Okay.
the screen.
Yeah.
Yeah, now I can able to see.
Okay. So hiring, recruiting, and then you see employee rating, right? Employee rating means the
Uh,
performance relevant one. So I can take your questions at the end of the session. If anyone have, please mute their mics because this will be on record and you will be missing. Some people cannot hear when you are interrupting. So employee rating, then we have courses for employees, learning courses, and onboarding is one process. Again, compensation, nothing but budget planning. These are different things and not one or two persons can do. A total some every company has to maintain location wise some 20 to 30 HRs so that they can carry out all these data. So these activities are now module in SuccessFactors. SuccessFactors has total 14 modules with all these things as in specific. In this 14 modules, which one? Abhijit, please rejoin again so that you can see the screen, please. So there is EC, we call it as Employee Central. Then we have RCM, Recruiting Management, RMK, Recruiting Marketing. That means when a job is posted, it will be available at the marketing site of the company portal so that someone can apply through that. And we have onboarding module and we have LMS, and after LMS we have succession planning, career development planning, and employee central payroll is there. We have PMGM, performance management and goal management, compensation for employees, budget planning every year, how much has to be the hike, and then variable pay, your incentives and everything, yearly performance based bonus will be there through variable pay, and SAP Jam, an intranet platform for the company where events are existing. These events can be posted through SAP Jam and can be discussed across that. And after that, you do also have workforce analytics, and recently SAC is also coming for us, nothing but cloud analytics, which will have some enhanced benefits of reporting when you want to extract some data of hire or termination or something which is relevant to the payroll. These kind of data can be taken through that, right? So these many different modules are there, and today we are here to discuss on AC. AC is nothing but a module that will take on employee data. AC is a module which is going to talk on employee data. For me, this is the biggest thing. Rest all the things can be processed and even they can be set in a process and we can follow that process throughout the year. There will not be any interruption through this, but when you see employee data, that has always continuous changes. Continuous changes means data is not stable. Data is always changing. Data will never be stable. Today, I am at the position consultant. Tomorrow, I can become senior consultant within 6 months. And after that, there will be some change in my dependents data, or there can be some changes over my promotion or demotion, or it can be probation confirmation when I join a new company. So always there will be some data change happening. So how these changes are being done and how this is going to be secured in the system. And we are going to handle the realistic data of employee. So that data is being maintained at EC. Wherever, whichever module you pick in Employee Central, remember this will be connected with EC. If a position has to be posted, that means a vacant position is there, you wanted someone to apply, you have to take it from EC and post here. Some data has to be coming in onboarding, some configuration has to be done in EC. Some courses are to be assigned to the employees. We need at least employee ID from EC so that we can assign. Some rating has to be given to employee at the end of the year for their performance. At least we need get employee first name, last name and employee data from EC. Then only we can do it. Same with the compensation budget planning also. They have to look over what is his annual salary in EC on his profile, then they have to plan for the next year. So in this manner, directly or indirectly, these modules are dependent on EC. So for that reason, this becomes the key core part of success factors. EC becomes key and core part of SAP success factors. Now, okay, that's fine. Some people call it as a data repository. The other name of EC, we call it as data repository. So why? Why we are learning this is that will give you the foundation, the basic and the basic understanding towards this module will starts with EC. The second reason why we are going to learn EC is this is a continuous learning process. In this module, you will have continuous learning. You will never have time to look into other module. One who works in EC, they never get time to look into other modules. But these people, let's say RCM is there, you can complete a project within 3 months and you have to look for other projects. There will be a time other module people can sit idle and look for work, but there will be never a time that EC look for other works because they are completely occupied with it. Once they complete the promotion process in March, again they have to update this, that, everything, and by November they have to start with year-end activities, data updation, or some leave balance. All these things has to be done. So this will be continuous work for us and continuous configuration changes happens. And even SAP is more giving enhancements. That means they will do new things or new features they will introduce into EC. We have to learn and upgrade ourselves. Continuous learning can happen here and there is no scope that you sit idle with this EC kind of projects. Okay. So now I just get back to the history of SAP SuccessFactors, how this has been the interesting module for many of the people who choose this one as their HR system. First thing is the system is easily understandable to anyone. Even to a layman who starts looking at the system, they will understand, okay, we will go to the search and if we search, this will work like that. So it's an easily understandable system. And once you start using it, within one day, you can learn where to go, how to go, everything. That's the reason most of the people are opting for SAP SuccessFactor. Second thing is global access. Global access means you are going to use the system wherever you are. You are at some vacation and you have to approve your employee's leave, or if you don't approve some data, he is losing some benefits from the company. You don't have other choice. So you open your mobile, there is a success factors mobile application which any company can use it. So that means if you buy the license and you did the configuration and implemented the project, so you can have that in your mobile, log in with your user ID and you can check the request and then you can approve, or there is a chance that you can reject also. So you just need internet to access this system. on mobile, or you open the same system in Google Chrome. If you go to the Chrome and you will have the system login, and you just enter the URL here and it will open like this. Okay, I need to enter the company ID anyhow. So it will open like this, enter the ID, and then you can get into the system. So it is only internet, and you don't have anything in versions. You need to upgrade this version, or you need to download, install this program. Nothing like that. It's only an URL that we are going to put in the search, and then we are going to enter so that we can log into the system. Not only here, you forgot laptop, you did not install the app, you can open in your mobile Google Chrome also, the same page it will open. So you can open and then you can approve and then close. So multiple ways of accessing the system. There are no prerequisites on using the system. Again, another benefit for the customers. So they are happy with the system, they are implementing this. And the third thing is security. Security of the system. Third thing, security in the sense data that is being maintained in this cloud is of employees, and employees enter their realistic data. The live data will be there with us for many employees. So we that would be secure. We should not share, and there will be always the consent and these all things going on. But still, how can someone, I look into some data, some employee's national ID or something, I can use it as a different purpose. Even though I signed, I just saw it and I just entered. So when you logged in, when you logged out, or when you change something, when you delete something, everything is a track in SuccessFactors system. Along with your login timestamp, it will clearly tell who has logged in, when they logged in. And when the issue happened, when the data breach has happened, everything will be under record. Or let's say it is not the another purpose, some consultant, not consultant, some HR admin on maintaining the system, they deleted some employees' data. So how can we recover it? There are options even to recover the data which has been deleted in the system. That's another fantastic feature we do have. By taking the backup and edit of the system, we can have the deleted data also, right? So these many features SAP is giving us to use this system success factors in the cloud. So for that reason, three reasons it is being at the top still. Okay, so that's the reason most of the people are with SAP SuccessFactors, and that's the reason you have to be aware why you need to start with EC Employee Central in the system. And here, from this training, also, I would like to talk. Before I talk on what are the things we are going to provide from this training, I would like to just show you this. This is an guide. Every module in SuccessFactors will have its own guide, end-to-end implementation guide for us. So every topic will be picked from here and will be explained by showcasing in the system. Practically from the system we are going to show you. So every topic like role-based permissions, foundation objects, and business configurations, event reasons, data models, XMLs, and how the understanding of XMLs also clearly will be explained to you. And what is MDF, what is object, and you have generic objects, what are those generic objects, business rules, how you have to create a rule and conditions, and you will have pick list and how to work with the pick list, and sync information, that means I will explain all those, portlet, people profiles, concurrent employments, global assignment configurations, and you will also be learning a few on time off, not on timesheet, because timesheet is completely and separate topic, like which is moved to time tracking recently. So timesheet, I will just give you an overview, but time off, I will clearly tell you how it happens, configurations, everything through the system. And even I will explain how the mobile functionality will work through the system. That will be also taken care. So these will be the contents for you to the training, and we will be discussing everything through the system, not like in this. So I will open the system, I will do one, and I will give you the task to do, which is like a real time task. I will be going to give you, and you have to do it and come for the next session. So first thing is you will be getting end-to-end implementation guide. Second thing is you will be getting system for practice. And third thing will be daily task for you to practice. And fourth one will be topic wise document also will be given to you, because I have a topic wise document which is prepared by me, which is very understandable in normal communication language. If some people feel difficult, this document is too technical, you can refer to the document which I will give, which is prepared by me. And after that also we will be having, if you want some mock interview after end of the sessions, I will be there. I will be taking your mock interview as well. And you will have the recording of the session. Daily you are going to get this recording with you, right? So these are the things that you are going to get from this training, and we are going to discuss everything of success factors employee central in regular sessions. And the topics will be covered from whatever the implementation guide is suggesting. These will be covered for you. Okay, so I think I'm good, and if you have any questions from here, you can ask me.
Hi, myself Ashok.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So do you cover this data migration part? Because I think that's a major part during implementation. So how it is going to happen? How do we migrate, normal SAP HCM data or some other data to SuccessFactors?
Ashok, I missed your some part of the question. Can you please repeat it?
Yeah, so no, I was talking about data migration from a legacy system or maybe from SAP HCM. We have 1,000 employees, and during implementation, so we have to migrate all that data to SuccessFactors easy, right? So
Right.
if you can add that also to the list, that will be great help, because that's where the most difficult part comes in for newcomers.
Yeah, that's sure. That will be there. Because I need to teach you how import happens. Import is nothing but data migration for us. So that will be
Mm,
obviously there. That's another important thing for us.
okay, and you will be covering position management, right?
Yes, yes, absolutely.
Okay. Position management and global employment and concurrent. These three will be covered.
Yes, yes, that will be there.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, others, you can ask me questions.
Hello.
So, yes, Abhijit.
I just need to know. I'm sorry, but I don't know. I may miss out the point. But are you going to cover the RBP and PMGM?
No, I'm not covering PMGM, but RBP will be covered because it is another important case for us in Employee Central. So without RBP, we cannot go ahead. So RBP will be always part of EC.
Okay, but PMGM, the compensation and onboarding, that things you're not going to cover.
Those
Am I
are
right?
those are all other different modules. How EC is a different big module, they are also different modules. We cannot cover them in
So
one.
this,
So this will be for 25 days of Employee Central total session. So only specific to the topics of Employee Central module.
okay. Another one thing that I'm asking this question because I'm about to get one kind of the project for the implementation. So are you going to
Okay.
teach us complete end to end that how the requirement gathering and that the discover and other things?
Yes, yes, the phases will be discussed with you. One complete session, I will discuss you how it will start and how it will end. So that phases discussion will happen.
Okay, and that template filling, that the template kind of the things.
Yeah, that will be also done.
Okay, okay. And
Yeah.
even
Uh,
compensation is also not there, right?
Yeah, that's another module, right?
Compensation.
Compensation. It will take another 20 days. That is a separate module.
So are you taking that the things also? If I want to learn after this, after core EC.
Yes, for sure. But I'm not sure the trainer whether I come or different person. You can contact with the Subbu that on compensation, different modules, he will help you with.
Okay, so you are going to take care only EC, not the rest other modules, right? Okay, fine.
I will take care based on my available time. Sometimes I will take RCM, sometimes I will take compensation, sometimes I will take ECP based on my availability. We are not sure when the batch starts with me or some other, so you can contact Subbu if immediately available batch is there, he can connect with you. Okay?
Okay, fine.
yeah. Just one question from my side.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are we going to cover or give some insights on the integration part with EC and the other systems, other HR systems? How exactly it
EC
works?
EC and RCM integration we are going to discuss for sure. That is nothing but a seamless integration. And third party integrations we are not discussing in this module. So that will be again if we start with integration, that is also another module for us. That means it is it needs other system also to be explained. I cannot show only in EC. In EC, what happens is when connecting the systems, we will only extract what we need from EC. We will never have any connection setup in EC, to be frank. The connection setup will happen in the platform, the PA, and there they will be iFlows, everything. So that's a separate module, integration will be taken there. But between one module to other module, obviously I will show in the system how the mapping happens, how the rule works, and how the flow is going on in the system. For EC and RCM, I will show you.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
So just to introduce myself, I'm Akshara, your trainer, and I have been certified in EC, RCM, onboarding, compensation, employee central payroll, totally 5 modules of SAP SuccessFactors. I have been working in this field from the past 9 years, and even I have work experience with SAP HCM, where I have implemented OMPA and payroll, and I was moved to success factors, and I have did many implementations in employee central. The primary expertise of mine and the secondary expertise of mine will be standing with RCM and onboarding. Even I did 3 implementations in both of them, and one in employee central payroll and one in compensation. And slowly I'm increasing there also my expertise levels. And here, from the past 6 years, we are giving trainings in SAP SuccessFactors, and we have sent many batches of SAP SuccessFactors successfully outside. And some are placed, some had achieved good knowledge, and because after placed, I don't receive any information from them, so I'm not aware how many has been inside. So, but still, I we send many badges successfully out for the training. So basically, the practice is the key here. Whatever I teach, but you have to practice and come back. That makes this training work well. So please practice every session. Whatever I tell you to practice, you practice. Then you will be ready for the success factors onboarding process. Okay, right? If no questions, you may leave the session. If you have questions, stay back and ask me. because it's a weekend. I don't want to waste other time as well.
No, what will be the session timings?
That one, you just send your available time for the session to Subbu. He will plan accordingly. That means all the people will send your time right to Subbu. He will see the appropriate time, what fits for most of them, and he will suggest. Okay.
Okay, will it be daily or just or weekends?
It will be daily, not on weekends. Mostly, I don't take on Saturday and Sundays. Only
That's
Monday to Friday.
that's good. Thanks.
Yeah.
Are
Yes.
you teaching us to how to do the configuration of the rule and the workflows also?
Yes, Abhijit. I will showcase in the
Okay,
system directly how you have to do it.
okay. And one more
Yes. I I, I cannot hear you, Abhijit.
user. So
Uh,
let me say again with the Subbu only regarding for ECP. That also I wanted to learn. In fact, I'm looking out the
okay,
entire
sure,
package for the
please.
SAP SuccessFactor. Okay.
Okay. Just to let you know, no one can completely learn SAP SuccessFactors all modules in a lifetime, to be sure. And you can try to learn 4 to 5 modules. That would be fine. More than that, that you cannot learn basically because every 6 months there will be some new features coming in every module, and keep on learning the existing is a great thing for us. It will be never the
Okay.
same EC you see in 1 year before, and next year it will be a new version all over. So you will never have time to look into all of them. But obviously, it is better to restrict yourself to 4 or 5 because you will learn a lot in this only. Every time it changes.
Okay, ma'am. What about the certifications? So the how the pattern for the global certification? Because for HCM we
Uh,
have 80 questions, but how about here?
Here also same 80 questions. SAP owns it and they will have the objective questions and you have to pick the options out of it. I will explain how the exam goes at the end of the training. The last day I will discuss with you how to apply for it and how to get certified and easy ways of knowing it. I will tell you.
Okay, and some kind of the Delta model exams are also there, right? After 6 months.
Yes, that will also I will explain you how and why delta need to be written and all this. Right, Abhishek? Any other questions you do have?
No, no. Thank you so much. I will. Things are clear.
Thank you, Abhijit. See you soon. Bye.